Alright parents, look what just arrived. The cutest little package ever. We are unboxing the Kidamento Model C and I can already tell this is going to be our favorite in our home. So first off, the packaging is so clean and kids friendly. Everything is super secure, and right on top we have got the camera. And just look at this, it's wrapped, it's soft, food grade silicone, which means it is drop proof, which is durable and totally safe for tiny hands. So let me show you what comes inside the box when you get the Kidamento Model C. You get the camera. We picked up the Mikayo, the Wear version. So this is the camera. You also get a 32 GB memory card, which is already installed. Then there is a strap so your child can carry it around easily. It's pretty long. You also get a USB charging cable, which makes it super easy to charge the camera whenever needed. There are some fun stickers included to personalize the camera. You also have the scavenger hunt book. It's really cool. And a clear and simple instruction manual. Okay, so here's how the Kidamento Model C works, and it's honestly so simple. Right here on top is the power button. Just press and hold for 2 seconds and it turns on. That's it. Now take a photo, just press this shutter button here. You can also record HD videos. This is the video recording mode. If you want to see the photos your child has taken, there's a gallery button here. Just tap it and they can scroll through the pictures. Now, this is my favorite. It comes with a built-in filters and fun photo frames. You just click this button and scroll to pick whichever one they like. My kids picked it up and started clicking away instantly. No tutorials, no games, no distractions, just pure creativity. They can take photos, record HD videos, use filters, and even set a timer. The screen is bright and super easy to use. They also have a cute little bag. So your child can wear it and walk around anywhere like a real photographer. Plus, there's a sweet photo album where they can print and paste their favorite clicks. What a beautiful way to build memories. So if you have been looking for a screen-free way to boost your child's creativity, this is it. I have added the link in the description and also on the screen. go check it out. Honestly, it's been such a great find for us, whether it's for birthdays, travel, or just fun.